ग्राहक साथी 3rd August 2024 Volume 5 Number 5 New Regulations for Health Insurance Policies. New Mediclaim regulations that impact consumers, policyholders. To make health insurance more inclusive, flexible and customer friendly, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India IRDAI has recently released a circular which includes regulations regarding policy cancellation, refunds and grace period for premium payment etc. for health insurance policies. It also aims to streamline the health insurance claim process through mandatory time-bound settlement by insurance companies. Given below are the major provisions which impact consumers and Mediclaim policyholders. Cashless claims must be cleared in 3 hours. In many instances, patients discharged from the hospital gets delayed by as many as 10 to 12 hours due to delay in cashless settlement of bills by insurance company. Now with new regulations, insurance companies will have to clear cashless claims within 3 hours after receiving a patient discharge request from the hospital. They cannot keep the policyholder patient waiting to be discharged due to delay in cashless claim settlement. In case of any delay beyond 3 hours, the additional amount, if any, charged by the hospital shall be borne by the insurer. In the event of the death of the policyholder during the treatment, the insurer shall immediately settle the claim and get the mortal remains dead body released from the hospital immediately. Free look period. The free look period has been increased from 15 to 30 days from the date of receipt of the policy document. This period is available to the policyholder to review the terms and conditions of the policy. If he or she is not satisfied, he or she has the option to cancel the policy. This option is available in case of policies with a term of 1 year or more. Cancellation of health insurance policy by the policyholder. The policyholder will be able to cancel his or her Mediclaim policy at any time during the term of the policy by giving 7 days notice in writing, reduced from 15 days earlier. The policyholder is not required to give reasons for cancellation. The insurer will have to refund a proportionate premium for unexpired policy period. Earlier, the refund on the premium was not on a pro rata basis. The insurer will have to refund proportionate premium for the unexpired policy period on cancellation if the term of policy is up to 1 year and there is no claim made during the policy period. When policy is cancelled after a year, the insurer must refund the premium for the unexpired policy period, provided that the risk coverage for those future policy years has not commenced. However, the insurer can cancel the policy only on grounds of established fraud by giving minimum notice of 7 days to the policy holder. So, if you have paid rupees 8,000 as annual premium for your health insurance policy and cancel it after 6 months, you are likely to get a refund of rupees 4,000 now, provided there is no claim. Previously, you would not have got any refund for cancelling the policy after 6 months. Renewal of policies. The insurers cannot refuse to renew an ongoing health insurance policy except in the following cases. The product type of insurance policy has been withdrawn and the policyholder has been informed well in advance. The policyholder has resorted to fraudulent practices during a claim or otherwise. The insurer cannot insist on a fresh medical examination for or filling of a fresh proposal from at the time of renewal, except where the insured wants to increase the sum insured. Coverage during grace period even if premium is unpaid. Now insurance companies have to mandatorily provide coverage during the grace period. The grace period for a health insurance plan is the extra time that you get to pay the premium if you have missed the policy renewal due date. Typically, most health insurance plans offer a grace period. Earlier, it was not mandatory to provide coverage to policyholders during the grace period. Settlement of claims. IRDAI has said that no claim should be rejected for want of documents. All the required documents should be called at the time of underwriting the proposal. For cashless settlement, insurers and third-party administrators (TPAs) shall collect the required documents from the hospitals. Policyholders shall not be required to submit the documents. Where cashless is not available, customer may be asked to submit only those documents that are directly related to the claim settlement, such as claim form, bills, etc. Moratorium period. Many times insurers reject claims on the grounds of concealment of material facts and or misrepresentation of material facts by the insured at the time of taking the policy. It is now mandated that after the completion of 60 months of continuous health insurance policy, the insurer cannot reject any claims on these grounds. After this moratorium period of 60 months, the only ground on which a claim can be rejected would be outright fraud. No other ground for claims rejection will be available to insurers. No claim bonus option to reduce insurance premium. For health insurance policies, insurers usually hike the sum insured at the time of renewal if the policyholder has not made a claim. As per the new regulations, insurers can provide two options during annual renewal if the policyholder has not made any claims during the year. Cumulative bonus. The sum insured amount will be increased without a hike in the premium amount. A discount on the premium. Policyholders can choose any option and give consent every year at the time of renewing Mediclaim policy. We thank Mr. Arman Oza, an international insurance consultant, for sharing his knowledge and expertise for this issue of Grahak Sathi. Other important provisions. We discuss some other provisions that aim to enhance consumer protection and transparency. Higher penalties for not complying with ombudsman orders. Insurance companies will have to pay more penalties if there is a delay in implementing an order of the ombudsman. They are required to comply with the ombudsman's order within 30 days. Separate servicing channel for senior citizens. The regulator has mandated that insurers should establish separate channels for servicing and grievance handling for senior citizens, including dedicated customer care numbers for senior citizens. Insurers have to display these details clearly on their website. To make it easier for consumers, the regulator has asked insurance companies to display the following information prominently on their websites. The hospitals, healthcare service providers with whom they have a tie-up for cashless claim settlement. List of common network of hospitals. Requirements for filling reimbursement claim for non-empaneled hospitals. Procedures for claim settlement under cashless facility and reimbursement of claims. Time limits for policy servicing. Approvals of cashless and reimbursement claim settlement. List of insurance products, policies on offer and products withdrawn. Customer Information Sheets CIS. To make it easier for policyholders to understand critical aspects of their health insurance policies, insurance companies have been asked to provide revised Customer Information Sheets CIS highlighting all key policy details in simple terms. The new CIS format will help the policyholders understand the complex terms and procedures related to their health insurance policies better. It will contain name of the insurance policy, policy number, type of policy, indemnity, benefit, sum insured, what the health policy covers, exclusions, waiting periods, financial sublimit, co-payment, deductible, etc., claim procedure with turnaround time for claims settlement, network hospital details, blacklisted hospitals, helpline number, call center number, details of company official and contact details, web links for grievance complaint filling. Editorial team Chairman CERC and Torch Praful Amin, Chairman CERS Walter Vieira, Chief Operating Officer Anindita Mehta, Associate Editors Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goyal, Editorial Assistant Meena Bathwi. Address Consumer Education and Research Center 802 Grahak Suvidha Kendra Sakar 2 next to Ellis Bridge Police Station, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad 380006. Phone number 07935337262. Email address complaints@cercindia.org. Helpline number 1800-233-0222. Shanta Mehta Digital Talking Book Library, Blind People's Association, Vastrapur, Ahmedabad presents a digital audio book. This book is being recorded for the sole use of persons with blindness and low vision. Reader Anal Dave.